Storm Tracker weather starts now with Jason Laird.
Good morning, everybody. Proud to have you along for the ride. As we told you at the beginning of the show, we did have a little bit of active weather move through northeastern Montana. The reason behind that, a little cold front kind of jet through, and that left some lingering energy. We're still looking at some slightly stronger storms just south of Malta there and just kind of southwest there of Glasgow, kind of heading toward Jordan. But again, the severe thunderstorm warning has expired with that particular system, and you notice it's just kind of tracking to the southeast at about 30 miles per hour here this morning. So likely over the next couple of hours, Jordan going to be seeing some of those stronger storms. I do anticipate they'll probably lose a little bit more strength, though, as the day plays out here for us. As for your wind forecast here, again, it is going to be a little bit breezy today. Slightly stronger wind this afternoon compared to what we saw yesterday. We could see a wind gust, an occasional wind gust at about 15 to 18 miles per hour here this afternoon. And again, winds ranging about 7 to 15 miles per hour on average out of the east here today. We are going to still see some smoke over the region. The main plume there is going to jog a little bit further east, but hazy skies continue and quite a bit more smoke there, actually touching into the heavy category, of course, where some of those new fires are located just north of Missoula. Another hot one on tap, looking at the triple digits west of the divide here at home. Low 90s, couple of 80s in the mix, 88 degrees in Lewistown, looking at the high 80s and early 90s in eastern and northeastern Montana. A little bit cooler there due to that slight cold front that kind of made its way through the state. 61 for your overnight low tonight in Great Falls. Same story for the capital, and continuing with those low 60s for overnight lows in northeastern Montana. Future track for tomorrow now on your Saturday, very similar to today. We'll likely see some morning storms there into eastern Montana. Those are going to dissipate very quickly. The big story, though, high pressure is going to continue to amplify. So it's been here the whole time, but it's going to kind of, flex its muscles a little bit there as tomorrow rolls around. And we do still have the possibility of a couple little mountain systems moving over top of western Montana, kind of breaking into the Rocky Mountain front as well. Biggest concern with these, again, is a lot of dry lightning and dry vegetation, fire, that sort of thing. Low 90s for highs tomorrow. We're going to continue to see those 80s throughout the eastern plains, so still a little bit cooler in that particular region as well. Highs on Sunday, that's when they're going to kind of peak before starting to dwindle off a little bit first part of this next week. So here's what we got cooking on Sunday. Again, that high pressure ridge really amplifying for the first half of the weekend. Then it is going to shift a little bit east, and this area of low pressure is going to kind of beat up on it a little bit, but that high pressure ridge still pretty strong. But what this area of low pressure is going to do for us is Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to drop those temperatures back into the 80s. So a little bit of relief, but you'll notice that high pressure ridge pulling a little bit of a fast one. He's going to slide a little bit further west and try to re-amplify following that system. That's going to likely get us hot as we wrap up the work week again next week. So with that said, 91 today, plenty of sunshine, staying hot through the weekend, and there's that little temperature dip once we head into Tuesday, Wednesday. And but right now it looks like it's only going to stick around for a couple of days. As for the capital, 91, low 90s through the weekend, and then a little bit cooler Tuesday, Wednesday, Shannon.